Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can add a page to a drop down menu. So to do so, make sure that you are on your WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, put your username and password, and then you will be able to see this page. So now what we have to do is create a new page, which will be, for example, add new, and let's name it P1. So P1, sorry, P1, publish. Okay, it's published. Now let's go to add new and let's do a P2, publish, publish, and let's add a new one which will be called P3. So P3, publish, publish, and here we go. Now what you have to do is go to your appearance from here, or you can go to visit sites, and from here you can go to customize and go to your menu from here and add like menus like that. Anyway, I will show you first each one by its own time. So now we go back here and go to appearance, and from here we go to menus. Oops, what did I do? Oh, widgets. Okay, menus. So what you have to do now, for example, we create a new menu by going in here, and let's create a menu which is called P. Create menu. Now we add this P1, P2, P3 into this menu. And how we can make like drop down, you can just add this one under this one and they will be added into each other. Let's wait, let's make this at the top, this bottom, so something like that will do the job. Save menu and automatically add new top level pages. Menu, mobile, social menu. All right, save menu. Now if you go to our website, so something like that, and we refresh, here is the drop down menu, guys. So as you see, now we've done with this part. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.